Hello,
Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name?
nice to meet you too. My name is Ramzan, and your name is
Ramzan. My name is
Angelita.
Angela. Yes,
Okay, great, ma'am.
Angela. You can call me Angela.
Okay,
Nice
great.
to meet you, Ramzan. Ramzan.
Yes, Ramzan, correct.
Ramzan. Okay, okay.
So,
Great. So where are you from?
I am from India, and you?
I'm from Mexico.
Okay, great.
Yes. I've heard they say that Mexico and India are very similar.
Yes, maybe. And I was looking into your profile, and I thought that you are Indian. Is it
Yes,
like
I've heard this too. I'm like, I look multinational. I have different nationalities.
so? Basically, you are not Indian, right?
No, no, no.
Okay.
Maybe I've got some blood around there, but I don't know. That I
But
know of, no.
so you mean your parents are not from India, but those both of them were from Mexico.
No, actually, like my mom has black, yes, like African descendants,
Uh-huh.
and my dad is more on the European side, like
Okay.
Spanish, Irish stuff. So I'm a mix of a bit of everything. Yes.
Yes, okay, no problem. That's great. So basically, I am interested to know about your culture and different things because I am working on my listening skills and trying to connect with different people around the world and just understanding their accent.
Okay, okay, very good then.
So,
Very well then.
what's your profession?
Well, I used to be a teacher
Uh-huh.
here in Mexico, an English teacher. I used
Mm-hmm.
to give classes in schools, but I found out about Cambly and I decided to leave that behind and join Cambly full time.
Yes, actually,
It
that is a
was
great
better.
opportunity for you. And you are living with your family, or you are living alone somewhere?
I live with, well, you mean my immediate family? Because I have a family of my own. Like I have two kids, husband, so yeah. But I live with my children, of course, yeah, with my own family. But my
Hmm.
parents also live in the same city.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great. And other than that, you have also done any other job in any other profession, or you are already working on this English teaching only?
Yes. Oh, my whole life I've only done English teaching. Well, my
Hmm.
whole work life, I've only done English teaching. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Only
great.
this. How about
Okay,
you? What do you do?
I am a software professional working on websites and mobile apps.
Okay. Awesome.
Yes.
Pretty cool. I'm really bad with technology. I think it would be good for me to take some lessons so I can
Yes,
learn
actually,
a
this
bit
is
more.
quite easier, but at the time when we
I
start
see.
something, so that becomes little hard. But once we get into it, then definitely things going easier. And even if we are getting paid much amount, then definitely we get attracted.
Yes, okay. I think especially now everybody should know a bit of technology. Well, not technology, but about like computers, everything that has to do with computers.
Mm, yes, that is important. And for your kids, you are doing as a homeschooling, or you are just nurturing and sending them to schools?
Right now, the schools aren't open. Everything
Mm-hmm.
is online right now. So
Uh-huh.
they are right now, let's say like they're at school right now, but online, which is
Okay.
kind of difficult because I don't think this is a good way to learn at all. And it's really difficult, but yeah, what do
So
you do?
difficult mean that you are thinking that they are not getting more knowledge than
I
earlier when they were
Yes,
attending offline, right?
I absolutely, yeah, yeah, that's exactly it. I don't think that they're learning how they should, it's also really easy for them to get distracted. So it's not working.
It may be that you have more frustration for handling them. Is it like that?
No, it's because the thing is, one, I can't be with them because I have to work. So that's one. And two, if I could be there, I think it might be like, I could be the teacher who's supposed to be telling them, no, you're supposed to be doing this. No, this is what, but I can't. So I need to work. They need to be at school. So it's kind of hard. So there's not really anyone to tell them unless, because the teacher is right there, but of course, sometimes they can do other things and the teacher won't notice. So like my children need someone to tell them constantly.
Yes. You mean that, you mean that they have needed the dedicated teacher. That's why. Otherwise, now they are more free and they are wasting their times, right?
Yes, exactly. So I'm thinking if things continue like this for next year, they are not going to be, I'm not going to be paying a school. They can definitely do homeschooling. I can bring a tutor, something. Yeah.
So how is the education system there in in the Mexico? I mean, most of the people prefer to go to schools, or they are trying to go for the homeschooling, or what type of culture is over there?
Homeschooling is not so common, but I think after this pandemic, it might. Like people are starting to see that this might be a good option. And in general, schools are not so good. Like especially public schools, they're known for being not good quality education. If you pay for a school, it can be better, but there are levels. Like the higher you pay, the better your education, right?
Quality. Yes.
Always.
And you are on the top level, right?
No, no. Actually, like in this little city, it's very cheap. The little city I live in is very cheap. So I'm able, and I also got a very good scholarship for them because I used to work at this school.
Okay.
That's why I'm able to pay for it. If
Okay,
not,
so half of the amount has been deducted because of you, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Because I used to work at that school and my brother works at the school as well. So they kind of owe me.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, but in general, the education here is not that great.
Okay, so one more thing is like you are deciding your children's career from right now, or you are giving them the general knowledge for now?
What do you mean?
I mean that there are in some cases like Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, so they were more focused on the computer science, and accordingly they were continuing their education. So is it like that on those schools that people are more focused on their special subjects from the initial stages?
No,
Or,
I wouldn't say so.
So
Like,
after 10th standard, they separate their subjects or what?
they do separate the subjects. For example, they always have the same subjects. Like in schools that you get that pay, like paid schools, like private schools, they have more subjects. But I think it's too much sometimes. Like they've got like better English, or it's a more out, right? Supposedly. And you also have like computer, you also have like math, Spanish in this case, because everybody speaks Spanish here, and other things. Like depending on the school and what you want for your kids, that's what you can find. Sometimes they have music, sometimes they have different subjects.
So you have focused your children in which aspect? I mean, what they wanted to do?
That's an interesting question, but I don't think there are a lot of options for children in schools like that.
Yes,
like
yes,
those
correct.
kind of options. So I think I might change it.